Hi, this is Kashpunisa Bagewadi. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about AWS weekly release for the week of 31st August 2020. So let's start. Amazon Corretto 15 release candidate, Amazon AppStream 2.0 and Amazon Workspaces enable AWS Resource Group tag editor. Now you can orchestrate and parameterize EMR notebook executions without graphical user interface access. New AWS Solutions Consulting offer serverless IoT platform accelerator. Amazon EC2 or Spot Fleet now support modifying instance type and wait on the run. Amazon CloudFront announces real-time logs. Amazon CloudFront announces for TLS version 1.3 for Weaver connections. Introducing AWS Data Streaming Data Solution for Amazon Kinesis. Amazon Workspaces introduces Microsoft Office Professional Bundle for bring your own Windows license workspaces. Amazon Workstock supports auto provisioning for all directory users. AWS Storage Gateway increases performance by 4 times for the file gateway. Announcing AWS Private Link support for Amazon Textract. AWS Solutions is launching a new solution, discovering hot topics using machine learning that helps organizations discover and analyze trending topics among customers. AWS Step Functions increase payload size to 256 KB. Amplify CLI now supports tagging resources at a project level. AWS Systems Manager now supports all current versions of Ubuntu. AWS announces a 86% plus price reduction for AWS IoT events. AWS Cost and Usage Report now offers monthly granularity. Amazon Aurora supports PostgreSQL 11.8, 10.13 and 9.6.18. Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL supports RDKit extension. AWS Elemental Media Live as AVC UHD outputs. AWS AppSync simplifies GraphQL query prototyping in the AWS console with GraphQL Explorer and Cognito integration improvements. Amazon Kendra launches confidence scores. AWS X-Ray launches auto instrumentation agent for Java. AWS X-Ray launches anomaly detection based actionable insights in preview. Announcing RX Java support in Amplify Android. AWS Launch Wizard now supports SAP deployments with SUSE Linux Enterprise Server 15SP1 and 12SP5. Meetings Readiness Checkers APIs help developers ensure that end users can join Amazon Chime SDK meetings from their devices. Amazon Lightsail now offers new OS blueprint. Amazon Poly NTTS Voices now available in Singapore, Tokyo, Frankfurt and London regions. AWS Snowball Edge Compute Optimized is now available in the AWS GovCloud US East and Asia Pacific Mumbai region. AWS WAF and AWS Shield Advanced now available in Africa, Cape Town and Europe, Milan region. AWS IoT Core and AWS IoT Device Management now available in the AWS GovCloud region. AWS Single Sign-On SSO is now available in Asia Pacific Tokyo and Asia Pacific Mumbai and Asia Pacific Seoul regions. Amazon Managed Blockchain is now available in the Europe, London region. Announcing the general availability of BottleRocket, a new open source Linux-based operating system purpose-built to run containers. Bottle Rocket includes only the software needed to run containers and comes with a transactional update mechanism. These properties enable customers to use container orchestrators to manage OS updates with minimal disruptions, enabling improved security and lower operational costs for containerized applications. AWS provides Bottle Rocket images are available for Amazon EKS, now generally available, and Amazon ECS in preview mode. So you can see here basic architecture for Bottle Rocket. So to create Bottle Rocket instance, you can just pick up the Bottle Rocket EMI, initiate EC2 instances using the Bottle Rocket AMI. Then you can enroll your Bottle Rocket EC2 instance into Amazon EKS cluster, and then you can manage Bottle Rocket updates to your EC2 instance using Amazon EKS. That's it for this week. Thank you for watching. Bye.